This is day 15 of our 30-day countdown to the Further Maths Level 2 GCSE Paper 1. So the question we were given yesterday was solve 2x squared, take away 7x, take away 15 being less than 0. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to solve this same expression but equal to 0. Now, as this is a non-calculator question, I'm going to do this by factorising. So I'm going to multiply this first term by this last term and rewrite it like this. And I'm now going to factorise this equation. So I've removed the 2 out the front, multiplied it by the end term, and now I can factorise this quadratic as we normally do. So let's write out some pairs. So we've got 1 and negative 30. We're going to have 1 positive and 1 negative because my answer is negative. But I could have this the other way around. So 2, negative 15, negative 2, positive 15, 3, negative 10, negative 3, positive 10, and so forth. Now stop there because I can see that the pair that adds together, so we've got the pairs that times together to give you negative 30, the pair that adds together to give you negative 7 is this pair here. So that's what's going to go inside the brackets, except instead of x, we're dealing with 2x. So we'll write that in there. But seeing as we've multiplied this last term by 2, we've got to divide one of our brackets by 2. So I'm going to divide the second one because it's even. I can actually get whole number answers. And I'm going to put back my equals to 0. So if this bracket is 0, 2x plus 3 equals 0. Ooh. X plus 3 equals 0. Or if we rearrange, we're going to get x equals minus 302. Or this bracket is 0, so x take away 5 is 0, so x equals positive 5. Now, if we plot those or sketch those on a graph, we've got positive 5 and negative 3 over 2, and my quadratic is positive. Ooh. And pretend that line is there. So it looks a bit like this. Now the question asks, when is this expression less than 0? So I'm looking for the bit where it's less than 0. So I'm looking for the bit here, which is below the x-axis. So I want when x is less than 5, but when it's bigger than negative 3 over 2. And as our question didn't have any equals bit below the inequality, it won't have them here. So today's question is write the equation of the line that is perpendicular to y equals 4 minus 3x that passes through 9, negative 3.